Hello, my name is Chloe and I'm going to talk you through how to complete the warranty certificate on the SoftWash Systems website. When you become a member of our in-network group, you are able to offer a 5-year warranty to your clients, which is backed by SoftWash Systems. First of all, you will need to type in the website address, which is www.softwash-systems.com. You will need to log into your account, then you can scroll down to the bottom of the page where there is a section containing customer information, discover SoftWash and contact us. You will be able to see a button that says Login for Warranty. Click onto this. It will then take you onto a Warranty Certificate Manager page where you will need to click the Login button and enter your details. This will now take you to a page that says View all entries and add a new entry. You can view all of your completed warranties by clicking onto View all entries, and to create a new one you will need to click Add a new entry. Now you will need to enter all the client's details such as first and last name, email and phone number. All of these details are important, but for the client to receive their certificate, the email address will need to be inputted, as this is how our clients receive their warranties. Then you'll need to add the property details, the name or number of the house, the city and county along with the postcode. Underneath that will be project details, which is where you enter the servicing company. So in this case, it would be Purple Rhino Safe Roof and Exterior Cleaning. You can then add an email address where a copy of the warranty can be sent. Then it goes on to roof detail, which is where you will select what type of material the roof is made out of, the square footage of the roof along with the pitch. Then it will take you down to product detail, which you will need to fill in how many gallons of sodium hypochlorite was used on the roof, along with how many ounces of green wash was used. Underneath that is date treated, so this will be the last day you worked on the job. Finally is the picture detail section. This is where you will need to upload a before and after image of the roof clean. Then you will need to upload a before and after of the roof close up, and then an action shot of your guys working. Once this has all been completed, you can click submit, and then you will have the choice to upload to Facebook if this is something you would like to do. All you need to do is click on the upload to Facebook button and switch the account over to your company account if you are already logged in as your own personal account, and press upload. The warranty certificate is now complete.